People of northeast Brazil love noise and colour. The two come together in Salvador's Pelourinho area under the name of Olodum. It's short for Olodumare, the god of gods of the Yoruba people of Nigeria. Olodum is the name of a social initiative to bring a sense of achievement to the street children of Salvador. It teaches them the art of African drumming, and through that, respect for the land of their ancestors. They've taken over the streets of old Salvador this morning without telling anybody, but that's Brazil for you. And they have recruited some rather old children.
This is Pacote. He's going to initiate me into the ways of Olodum. Okay, Pacote, take it away.
Vou ensinar você.
Life goes on. This is the middle of the street.
A batida do coração. Batida do...
The beat of the heart.